Ready to transform your photos from drab to fab? Today, we're diving into how to change the color of specific objects in Photoshop, giving you the power to make vibrant edits. First, open your image in Photoshop. Like this, select the object you want to recolor. In this case, our apple. You can use the quick selection tool, which is in the toolbar. Click and drag over the apple, and Photoshop automatically detects the edges if the selection isn't perfect. Use the Add to Selection or Subtract from Selection options in the toolbar at the top by clicking on the brush icon. Take your time, because precision here makes a big difference. Once selected, let's color the apple. Go to the Adjustments panel and the Hue Saturation option. You can also find this by going to Layer and then New Adjustment Layer. The Hue Saturation lets you play with the overall shade of the apple. Now, use the Hue Slider to experiment with different colors. See how easy it is to change the apple's redness to any other color. Then we can modify the apple's color even more using the Lightness and Saturation sliders. Adjusting saturation controls the intensity of the colors, making them more or less vibrant. Lightness controls how light or dark the colors appear. Adjust these values to fine-tune the color until you achieve your desired look. And there you have it, a perfectly recolored apple in your image. Other tools to try include color balance and color lookup for even more advanced color adjustments and cool effects. Don't forget, practice makes perfect. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Photoshop tutorials.